Today, we're here to talk about and present $127,000 with the rebates of energy efficiency that could be used for 8 schools across the territory. We've been doing this since about 2011, specifically with over $1 million in these rebates.
And so the lights and HVAC improvements are a part of the LG&E Energy Offset Program. And that's a good amount of money that we get to reinvest back into our students and their outcomes. And I can't thank LG&E enough for that. To bring back to life this 3rd floor, the auditorium, new media center, all of these things. So here are some of the improvements we've made to our buildings in the past few years when it comes to energy savings. Complete building HVAC replacement and upgrades with high-efficiency condensing boilers. Installation of geothermal system for freezer and cooler condenser. Installation of new LED lighting and exterior lighting. They have energy-efficient windows and upgrade lighting controls and install occupancy sensors in all of our classrooms. So when we walk out of here, we're not dependent on someone to turn off the lights. They automatically cut the lights off, and that's a huge savings for our schools and our district.